History of the Sea Venom right here on Gary's Stuff. Hello there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today, indeed, is History Day on the kit of the week, and that kit is the de Havilland Sea Venom in 1/72 scale from Cyber Hobby. So today I'll be looking at the history of the de Havilland Sea Venom, why it's earned its place in the history of the Fleet Air Arm, why people maybe should look into it a little bit more because it's a little bit of an unsung aircraft. And then also I'll be having a look at the other kits of the Sea Venom you can get hold of. If you enjoy the show, and I really do hope you do, please do remember, give it the imperial thumbs up on the like button below. And if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to the channel, hit that bell and you'll be notified of all my future videos, including the build video of this very kit. And of course, if you want to give it more concrete support, you can do that through Super Thanks, by becoming a channel member or by using any of my online partner programs. So let's get on then and have a look at the history of the de Havilland Sea Venom. The de Havilland Sea Venom was the first all-weather jet fighter operated by the Fleet Air Arm of the Royal Navy. The Sea Venom was a navalised version of the Venom NF2 single-engine two-seat night fighter operated by the Royal Air Force. Modifications that had to be made included folding wings, an arrestor hook and stronger undercarriage. The first prototype Sea Venom flew in 1951 and started sea trials in the same year. The first production aircraft, designated FAW-20, entered service with 890 Naval Air Squadron in March 1954. In the following year, production of the FAW-21 version commenced. This featured an uprated Rolls-Royce Ghost 104 engine, an American APS-57 radar, an improved canopy and new ejection seats. In 1956, Sea Venom saw service during the Suez Crisis. 6 Fleet Air Arm squadrons operated the type, flying from the carriers HMS Albion and HMS Eagle. The aircraft used mainly in the ground attack role. Sea Venoms proved to be quite rugged, as can be seen by this aircraft landing back on board with no wheels. In 1958, some aircraft were converted to the electronic warfare role as the Sea Venom ECM-21, with electronics replacing the guns in the nose. These aircraft operated until 1968. Also during 1958, Sea Venoms were used to trial the Firestreak heat-seeking missile, becoming operational with 893 Naval Air Squadron. However, the Sea Venom was now well on its way to being superseded, and from 1959 started to be replaced in squadrons by the de Havilland Sea Vixen. 39 Sea Venoms, designated FAW-53, saw service with the Royal Australian Navy, including service at sea on HMAS Melbourne. They were taken out of service in 1967 when replaced by Douglas A4 Skyhawks. The Sea Venom was also built under licence in France, where it operated with the French Navy under the name Aquillon. A total of 285 Sea Venoms and 101 Aquillons were built. 14 aircraft are in museums or under restoration in Australia, France, Malta, Poland, and of course, the United Kingdom. This Cyber Hobby kit was released in 2012 as a new parts upgrade to a new tooling that was released a year earlier in 2011. Frog Kit of 1973 was the source of a huge array of later 1/72 scale models, sold directly to Novo in 1979 and Premier models in 1990, but indirectly through Novo to Krylia, Intech, Scat, Toco, Aerophile and Abrigo, and via Premier to Eastern Express, Tasman Models and Ion Kit. Checkmaster Resin created their own 1/72nd scale kit in 2013 based on the release of the Venom NF2 from the previous year. In other scales, Matchbox made this 1/32nd scale kit in 1980. It could be made up as the UK or the Australian Sea Venoms or the RAF's Venom NF3. This kit was later taken up by Revell in 2007. Aero Club made this kit of the Sea Venom in 1/48 scale in the 1990s, a new parts rebox of a slightly earlier kit of the original Venom. Classic Airframes released their 1/48 scale Sea Venom in 2007, again a new parts rebox of a Venom kit from earlier the same year. And finally, Mark I Models has 3 boxes of Sea Venoms in 1/144th scale, each box containing 2 complete kits. Saves the toughest choice between schemes, of course. So there we go, the Sea Venom. Not as well known to a lot of people as maybe the Vampire and the later Sea Vixen, but still really important in the history of naval aviation in the Fleet Air Arm. If you've enjoyed the show, please do remember, Imperial thumbs up on the like button below because every like counts. And of course, if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell and you'll be notified of all my future videos as they turn up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again very soon. Take care now. Goodbye.